We're going to find the hottest areas around the campus and try to mitigate that heat flux by planting vegetation around that area. Basically taking 15 hobo monitor units which recorded temperature and relative humidity, and we put them on various locations around campus.
We engage students in projects where they actually contribute to how we develop and manage strategies for managing our natural areas here on campus, where we try to minimize the impact of urban development on the environment.
This is a good example, guys, of like doing the roots.
Our department is responsible for all the grounds maintenance on campus. About 40% of the campus is actually natural lands, and about half of that is conservation lands that are long-term protected.
And all of that natural land, as well as the landscaped areas, are Elena Bernard's responsibility. She is the land manager for the Land and Resources Department at UCF. Elena works with staff and students to maintain the 800 acres of natural areas intertwined with an ever-growing campus.
What we did is we looked at the water quality of these wetlands and tried to mimic them on our man-made retention ponds here on campus. There are about 12 retention ponds on campus, and today we got to plant on the 2H pond next to the stadium to provide some better quality for these ponds around campus.
From the wetlands to the woodlands, another group was making some unusual discoveries.
We monitored the number of invasive species or non-native species to the number of native species here to Florida. Non-native species are defined as species from outside the country.
What's it like when you come across right here on campus a plant that you otherwise wouldn't have thought would ever be here? I mean, it's gotta be pretty surprising.
When I come across like a population of 500 that are acres in size, it's a challenge.
What are some of the plants here that you have found?
One here, for instance, is camphor. It's actually made with the camphor oil is used in Vicks Vapor Rub.
Deeper into this wooded area, the last group of students were looking for some of their fellow residents on campus. In addition to setting traps in the wetlands, this group strapped a motion sensor camera to a tree, pointed at a nearby bird feeder. And students caught a variety of animals living right here on campus on camera.
We had a few birds. I had a couple of raccoons trying to get into the bird feeder, and then a few deer, actually, a young buck.
To better educate the community on the animals living among them, this group posted their discoveries online, including photos from their camera and bird calls. Through the student research, each group was able to get not only hands-on experience, but also help improve their community.
But it was a really good field experience getting out and seeing what's actually out here and getting to see the natural lands on campus.
Yeah, success!
Being able to participate in such a unique program really will leave a lasting legacy for futures and generations to come.